Hello student, I am Charu Gupta. Today I am going to give you an introduction of the first chapter of Maths of class 5, that is the fish tail. First of all, we talk about the competencies for this chapter. So, there are some competencies related to this chapter are knowledge, understanding, comparison and problem solving ability. It means after this you gain some knowledge, you gain some understanding, you can do comparison and you will get the ability of problem solving. Okay, now the main things about this chapter is target learning outcomes, TLO. It means after learning this chapter, which things do you learn from this chapter? So first of all, you can draw different figure of sea creatures using different shape. Means after learning this chapter you can draw different shapes with the help of mathematical shape like triangle, square, rectangle, etc., circle, etc. Okay, next, number 2, you can read and write large numbers after reading this chapter. Okay, means after reading this chapter you can able to write and read large numbers. Next and third point, you can rounds off the number to the nearest 10, thousands and hundreds. Okay, so the next point, after reading this chapter you can understand the relationship between speed, distance and time. This is very important topic from of this chapter, the relationship between speed, distance and time. And the next point, next thing, you can understand concept of loan, interest and saving. Okay, and the next and last outcome is you can understand and I can say you can solve word problems based on large numbers. So these are some main TLO related to this chapter. Now student, I am going to discuss some topics related to this chapter with you. The first topic of this chapter, the fish tail, means the introduction about the fishes which the writer have told us in this chapter. Okay, so the very first thing which they are talking about in this chapter is the shape of the fish. Means students, you have to draw fishes with so many different shapes. Like I have drawn here two different fishes. First, in these fishes I have draw a body, means middle part of the fish with the help of oval, and tail with the help of heart shape, and wings with the help of triangles, and mouth also with the help of triangle, and eye with the help of circle. So such like this I have also drawn another fish. In this fish I have drawn the body with the help of middle part of the body with the help of a square, and wing with the help of triangle, you can see here easily, and the fish also with the help of triangle, and tail with the help of triangle, and the figure which is a close figure. Okay, so here you have to draw such other sea creatures with the help of different shape. Now let's talk about the sizes of the fish. There are so many different sizes of fish we see in our environment. Some are small, some are large, and smallest fish can be of 1 centimeter. The smallest fish can be of 1 centimeter, and the largest fish is a whale shark, and can be of 18-meter long. So there are so many different sizes of the fish. Now let's we talk about different types of boat. Boats are help to the fisherman to catch the fishes. So the catching of fishes depends on the speed of the boat and the size of the boat. So there are so many different types and sizes of the boats available. Okay, so basically we here get to know about the formula of speed. Okay, so in this chapter when you solve the problems, you got to know the use of this formula, and now I am giving only the introduction about this formula. Here speed equal to distance upon time. In exercise you can use and you will use this formula. So student, the next topic or related to this chapter is some big numbers. In here we study about the numbers. So first is place value chart. So what is the place value chart? A place value chart help us to recognize large numbers. Okay, and we read place value chart from left to right. Okay, now Indian place value system consists of 4 periods. Those are ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakh and crore. And one's period divided into 3 places and remaining periods divided into 2 places. Okay, one's period divided into 3 places, that are ones, tens and thousands, and other 3 periods are divided into 2 places like thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore. Okay, next we read here face value. Face value is the actual value of a digit. For example, I am taking here the number 456328, and I can also read this number like 4,56,328. Now here I have to find out the value of face value of 6. So here the face value of 6 is 6. जो भी उसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू होती है वही उसकी फेस वैल्यू होती है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज प्लेस वैल्यू. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट बेस्ड ऑन इट्स पोजिशन, और वी कैन से प्लेस इन द गिवन नंबर. ओके, इसके लिए हमने एक फॉर्मूला भी यूज़ करते हैं. द फॉर्मूला जो है वो है प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ नंबर इक्वल टू फेस वैल्यू एंड पोजिशन वैल्यू. I am repeating, place value of a number is equal to face value and to position value. For example, I am here taking I have taken here a number 48365 and ये हो जाएगा आपका 48,365. Now here I have to find out the place value of 8. So place value of 8 is here. First of all, we have to find out the face value. So face value of 8 is 8. Then position value, and position value of 8 is 1000. Position value of 8 is 1000. So place value of 8 is 8 into 1000. Okay. So we got 8000. So in this digit, the place value of 8 is 8000. Okay. Now next, in this chapter we read numbers can be written in different forms. So mainly we read three forms of numbers: standard form, word form and expanded form. Standard form are different as we written here the number like 480. 480 is an standard form, and word form, if I write this number like 480, and expanded form is 400 plus 80, like this. Okay, आपने ये चीज़ें पढ़ी हैं अपनी प्रीवियस क्लास में. So I am giving you just a quick revision. Now next and last point of this chapter is comparing numbers. यहाँ पर आप टू टाइप से कंपैरिजन देखेंगे नंबर्स के लिए, या फिर or I can say we have two methods for comparing the numbers. First, I have written here two digits. Number one is 35298 and next is 4598. Now I have to compare here which number is greater. So now first I count these digits. मैंने इन नंबरों को गिना है. अगर मैं फर्स्ट नंबर को देखती हूँ तो there are 5 digits, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this number there are 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो 5 is greater than 4. So जो नंबर है 35298 greater than to 4598. Okay. Now I have also taken here another example, which is there are two numbers 7687859 and another is 7689663. अब पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल की तरह से प्रोसीड करते हैं और देखते हैं. देयर आर 7 डिजिट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड हियर ऑल्सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अब दोनों जगह 7 हैं तो हम इसे कैसे चेक करेंगे, कैसे इसको हम कंपेयर करेंगे. तो यहाँ हम लेफ्ट से राइट की ओर की साइड प्रोसीड करेंगे और कंपेयर करेंगे. फर्स्ट डिजिट is 7 and here also 7. So both are same. Second is 6 and here is 6, again same. Third is 8, here also 8, again same. Next here is 7 but here is 9, and you know 7 is smaller than 9, or we can say 9 is greater than 7. So here 7689663 is greater than 27687859.